All right, welcome to Flatlander. Today I want to talk about the Polaris winches with the automatic shutoff feature. I was really looking forward to that feature. I thought it was really useful. It's supposed to help prevent over tightening of the cable, prevent damage to the cable or other parts from over tightening. So, and it definitely does that, but one flaw in this feature is that it doesn't get snug, so your hook ends up bouncing around. So I'm going to demonstrate how that works. I'm going to hold the button in and let the automatic stop feature stop the cable every time it goes in here. So it also doesn't stop consistently in the same spot every time. Like right now, it's stopped with a good inch of cable out of the fair lead. It's a little shorter, but still, it's going to bounce around on the front bumper and definitely damage the finish. So I'll tell you how I got around this problem. I eliminated the hook altogether, as well as the puck. Now this auto stop feature works because there's a magnet in this puck that's sensed by the fair lead, so as it approaches the fair lead, the cable will stop. So I'll show you how that feature works. So now when I retrieve the cable, I'm going to hold the in button in the whole time. I'll try to show you that. So as it approaches it, you can see it stops retrieving. So now you don't have that auto stop feature. You do have to be careful about pulling your winch cable in too tight. But when you do get it cinched up, it's nice and solid. So it's not going to bounce around, not going to damage the finish on here or make any noise that you might hear when you're driving. So I went with this shackle mount because it fits the 3/4 inch shackles that I have on the front and the rear to tie the machine down or for recovery. It's also overbuilt. It's not the weakest point of this recovery system. So I'll show you how that shackle fits in there and how I would use it to recover. So now I'm just showing you this with the winch all tightened up because I would never use this as a recovery point for pulling someone out with a strap or rope. It would be only for stationary pulls with the winch to pull the stuck vehicle towards you. If I was going to pull them out with a cable with a rope or a strap, I'd use the solid recovery point down here. But I always have these shackles with, so that's how it fits in there. One more option I'll show you here is a soft shackle. I carry a couple of these with me too, so if you're not dealing with sharp edges, you can use one of these. It's safer, in my opinion, for a lot of recoveries. This is very light, soft, very strong. It's made out of similar material to synthetic winch lines, so that just would slide in through here. You open the loop on the one end and you slide the knuckle through there like that, and then just make sure that you have the protector sleeve on the hard recovery points, and then it would just tie in like that. I don't know the ratings on these, but I'll put a link below to the ones that I have here. I just got them off Amazon. They're relatively cheap, and I found them very effective. Something else to note, the small 1/2 inch shackles normally used for ATVs or small UTV recovery, they will not fit on this shackle mount. The opening is too narrow. So if that's all you have, you're going to have to switch shackles or go to those soft shackles. And plus now you get an extra refrigerator magnet.